What's going on, guys? It's your boy OTG Kicks. Back at it again. Figured I'd drop a quick video before I go tear somebody up in this PS5 and the 2K. You know how I do. If y'all want to hit me up on that Trilla 1523. That's Trilla TRILLA 1523 on the PlayStation. So today, shout out to Kif. You guys gave me my first win in a very long time. A very, very long time. I am very happy to get this W. Nike released in 2006 one of the hottest sneakers to drop in the game to date, right? These are the Air Max 1 Clots, aka the Kiss of Death. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Luckily, 15 years later, we were able to get a re-release of this shoe. The colors were tweaked a little bit, but I think they make the shoe a lot more better. The quality of the shoe is a little bit more premium. The colors pop out more, it's more vibrant. I'm gonna get to the box first, because I never had this shoe personally, but I went to Flight Club and I was able to have the sneakers in hand. You already know how Flight Club have their sneakers on display, so yeah. So this is the box. Top of the box, you can see they have a scroll. I think this is probably from Naruto or something, if you're into that kind of thing, but this is tough. The box, you see some Chinese lettering right here. It's definitely a dope shoe. The box is, I don't know what this is in here. You guys let me know down in the comments. Like I said, I really don't know too much about this shoe other than when I seen it for the first time, it was dope. When I tried to buy it from Flight Club, it was about $5,000 at the time, maybe like $4,500, and I said hell no. I wasn't doing that. But paper is pretty dope too. Some dope paper. Inside of the box is sick. They put a lot of detail. Nike, you guys are doing your thing. Peep the box, man. It looked like these are some pressure points for the foot right here, so the feet. And also, when you open the box, you can see this ribbon-like detail going around the shoe box. There's a lot going on with this whole setup that they got for the sneakers right here. So like I said, I'm very happy I was able to cop these. Very happy I was able to cop these. I do not want to take out the sole of the shoes. I know you probably see some people previously who posted up a video on these shoes who took out the sole, but I'm not doing that, okay? I like my shoes to be intact. Man, here we go. I'm gonna start with the most important part of the shoe, which is the toe box, which is see-through. These are crazy. But that is not my favorite portion of the shoe. We'll get to that very shortly. So the shoe, the colors on the shoe is I'm lost of words. I can't even lie. This is a very beautiful shoe. The quality, the premium nubuck suede going around the whole toe and the mid panel, it's crazy. The back of the heel, amazing. I really wish they would have gave us some lime green shoelaces, and when it comes with the red, I wouldn't say it's waxy like how they have it on Air Jordan 1, but it has a waxy look to it. I want to stick with this, I guess this tan color. Let me get the correct color for these shoes right here. On the box it says net deep red orange blaze. Yeah, okay. Dope though, pretty dope. Let's peep the inside, the back of the soles. Definitely a nice shoe. Like I said, I do not want to take out the insoles of the shoe. It's just a personal preference. Now, my favorite part of this sneaker here is actually the bottom of the shoe. These are crazy, man. Wow. These are a special pair of Air Max 1s. I know if you guys watched my previous video from yesterday, or whatever time you've seen this, the day before this video was Air Max Day 2021, and I posted up 2 pairs of sneakers that I have in my closet currently that I feel like are one of the top pair of Air Maxes that I own. And I have to contradict myself now today because holding these in my hand, I think these are number one. These are definitely number one. Yeah, just look at the detail. I believe that is ostrich skin in the back going around the top of the ankle portion right here. You have some suede nubuck on the tongue. Like I said, that lime green check is amazing. I didn't even see this. I didn't even notice this. Peep the back of the tongue. I didn't even notice it until I just turned the shoe around. This is the same on the other side? Yes, it is. This is crazy. They sold out pretty quick on Nike. My wife also hit too. So on Nike, like I said, I got this from Kif. But yeah, these are definitely dope. I know these are gonna shoot up in price eventually. I'm not gonna resell mine. I think that these are a holy grail type of shoe, and you gotta keep these in the bank. I love how they put the little shoe stick with the paper on the inside of the shoe to keep the form. That's pretty dope. That adds some quality to this shoe. This is crazy. Wow. Like this see-through portion of, let me get this out the way. The see-through portion of the toe box is elite. It is elite. Wow. Definitely, you can't wear these with no plain socks, right? You're gonna have to throw on some fly socks, preferably some high length knee-high socks, so you can see what you got going on, your sock game, how the sock game looking in the shoe. Cause these is crazy, man. Look at the Nike check. That could be some crocodile, alligator. I don't know what it is. Crocodile Dundee or something. I don't know, but these is tough. The tongue got some red hits on it. It's a great shoe. Shout out to whoever copped these, man. Like I said, I'm not selling these. I'm keeping these for me. Y'all can do what y'all want to do with yours. I'm not really big on reselling. I am a collector, so it's a big difference. What's this tag say? Oh yeah, so very important. Try not to wear these with blue jeans. You know, some of you guys like to wear the extra baggy jeans with these. Try not to do that because you will damage these. On the tag, it states, this product is made with natural dyed leather and may have dye migration. Wearing it with dark socks is recommended. So it may stain or get stained. So just be mindful of wearing these shoes. Put some shoe protection spray on it before you're rocking it. Make sure you wipe this part off because it will be foggy and sticky after, but these is good to go. I might keep these in the box until maybe 2025. Nah, I'll probably throw these on one of these days on a special event. Maybe when they open back up New York City and they have a shoe event or something, or maybe if I can travel and go one of these shoe events that they have, I'll definitely throw these on. These are definitely an eye catcher. Anyway, it's your boy OTG Kicks. Here go the Clot Air Max 1, aka the Kiss of Death. Ha ha! Jada Kiss voice. Peace. Let me get back to putting this work on this 2K. You feel me?